Do you struggle to answer simple English questions? Don't worry. Today I will show you how to answer with yes or no easily. Want to practice daily English conversation? Let's learn together with 50 simple question and answer examples. Hi everyone, welcome back to English with Joshvi. In this video, we are going to practice simple English conversations. I will ask you a question and then I will give you both a positive and negative answer. You can repeat after me to improve your fluency. Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
No, I don't like tea. Do you play football?
Yes, I play football.
No, I don't play football. Are you busy now?
Yes, I am busy now.
No, I am not busy now. Are you following me? Yes. Next, can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive a car.
No, I can't drive a car. Is this your book?
Yes, this is my book.
No, this is not my book. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies.
No, I don't watch movies. Are you from India?
Yes, I am from India.
No, I'm not from India. Great job. Continue with me. Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
No, I don't like music. Are you at home?
Yes, I am at home.
No, I'm not at home. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well.
No, I did not sleep well. Will you help me?
Yes, I will help you.
No, I won't help you. Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
No, I'm not tired. Are you following with me? Yes. Next, do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruits.
No, I don't like fruits. Can you cook food?
Yes, I can cook food.
No, I can't cook food. Is it raining?
Yes, it's raining.
No, it is not raining. Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
No, I don't read books. Are they your parents?
Yes, they are my parents.
No, they aren't my parents. Do you have money?
Yes, I have money.
No, I don't have money. Yes, following me. The next one. Did you go to school?
Yes, I went to school.
No, I did not go to school. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
No, I'm not ready. Do you like dancing?
Yes, I like dancing.
No, I don't like dancing. Is the shop open?
Yes, the shop is open.
No, the shop is not open. Do you eat rice?
Yes, I eat rice.
No, I don't eat rice. Yes, very good. Next, can you sing well?
Yes, I can sing well.
No, I can't sing well. Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I have a laptop.
No, I don't have a laptop. Are you free now?
Yes, I am free now.
Sorry, no, I'm not free now. Will you come with me?
Yes, I will come with you.
No, I won't come with you. Do you like chocolate?
Yes, I like chocolate.
No, I don't like chocolate. Great job. Continue with me. Are you feeling well?
Yes, I am feeling well.
No, I'm not feeling well. Do you know him?
Yes, I know him.
No, I don't know him. Did you eat breakfast?
Yes, I had breakfast.
No, I did not eat breakfast. Are you watching TV?
Yes, I am watching TV.
No, I'm not watching TV. Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling.
No, I don't like traveling. Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast.
No, I can't run fast. Are you working now?
Yes, I am working now.
No, I'm not working now. Do you play games?
Yes, I play games.
No, I don't play games. Yes, good. Continue with me. Is this your phone?
Yes, this is my phone.
No, this is not my phone. Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
No, I don't like English. Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am a teacher.
No, I'm not a teacher. Do you have a pets?
Yes, I have pets.
No, I don't have pets. Did you call him?
Yes, I called him.
No, I did not call him. Are you coming now?
Yes, I am coming now.
No, I'm not coming now. Do you eat fish?
Yes, I eat fish.
No, I don't eat fish. Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
No, I can't ride a bike. Are you happy today?
Yes, I'm happy today.
No, I'm not happy today. Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
No, I don't like shopping. Will it be sunny tomorrow?
Yes, it will be sunny tomorrow.
No, it won't be sunny tomorrow. Are you listening to me?
Yes, I am listening to you.
No, I'm not listening to you. Yes, really, you're listening me. Next, do you drink milk?
Yes, I drink milk.
No, I don't drink milk. Is today Monday?
Yes, today is Monday.
No, today is not Monday. Good job. You just practiced English conversation with me. Repeat this daily and you will speak English confidently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practice videos. Thanks for watching.